Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Yuki, the trainer from JEGA. In today's video, we will continue this quotation management. Let's check the first things, non-standard rules configuration, and check this one, planned for general non-standard rules. This is the default rules for your reference. And you can see we will have three. The first is this planned for non-standard. It only had 1.6, which means the unit price will multiply 1.6. To use it, you can go back to the quote entry, this one. Select the quotation plan. I'm going to use this one for color and core material for cabinet. Check it. More, edit. Here, non-standard rules, you can come here to edit the condition. Now let's select this one, planned for non-standard. Click edit condition, you can change it. Scroll down, save it. You can see now for the particle board, the unit price is 150. Let's go back to AI House. For this tool, let's left click, right side, it's particle board. So left click the wall, go to the top list, module quotation, left click on it. Now you can see the unit price change. It has been changed to 240, which is 150 multiplies 1.6. But sometimes only some special cabinet price will multiply the 1.6. Like for this one, its height will be 1500. Then this one will multiply 1.6. For this condition, you can go back to quote entry. For this one, now this is for the normal particle board. The price will be 150. Then we can edit condition here. Under the edit condition pop-up window, you will see all these symbols. And here is the variableness. Now you can see the height here. You just click the height. When the height is smaller or equal to 2400, then the price will be 150. Let's save it and add a new price information. Here is the 3 row, and here is the unit price 240. Still the core material particle board. Let's edit the condition. Click here. Still select the height. When the height is greater than, click this one and input the values here. Then the price will be 240. Let's save it. Okay, now we have one more condition. Let's go back to get the module quotation for these two cabinets. You can see now for different height, they will have different unit price here. Next, let's check this one, the width, depth, and height, arbitrary non-standard coefficient. Go to the detail information. Now you can see here is the non-standard label details. This is the descriptions of it. For this rule, it means when the dimensions are not the standard dimensions, then the price will change. Like when the width is not 300, 400, 500, or 600, then the price will multiply 1.2. If the depth is not 360, then it still multiplies 1.2. And if the height is not 682, then it will multiply 1.2. Then to return the unit price for you. Here is the description. You can check it. The basis coefficients are 1. And if the width is not equal to the standard size, then the coefficients will be coefficients multiplies 1.2. And for this two are almost same. If your factory have your coefficients, then you can just directly copy this one. Now you can come here to add a non-standard rules. This one I just keep it for test. Just Ctrl V to paste the formula you copied. Here's the description. You can input it or not. For these two, you can check them to associate with the dealer's price and also the factory price. The next thing is whether to enable it. Just keep it enabled. And for this condition, now you can edit it. Just click Edit Condition. And scroll down, light depth, I want to change it to 550. Scroll down, this multiplies, I change it to 1.3. And this one, scroll down, here is the height, you can also change it. Like this one, when the height when it's greater than or equal to, like now it moved to here. Let's paste it to here, greater than or equal to 2100. Then the radius will multiply 1.3. Then save it. After that, just submit it. Then you will create one the non-standard rules here. Let's go back to Quote entry. Select this one, and now I just delete this one. Here, more edit. Then you can compare this non-standard one to select the enterprise rules you set. Test. Click here to edit it. And now I just directly save it. Now let's come back here. Like this height, it's 2500, and for this one, I change it to 1000. And its depth, let's change this to 550. This one, it's 500, and then let's keep it. Let's go to get the quotation. Then you can see for the first one, it will keep the price 150, but for the second one, the height is non-standard. If you multiply 1.3, then to get this 195. Still the same, you can change this to the other width, like change this to 2520, and the depth to be 500. Then to get the least module quotation, you can see now this price will multiply to the 1.3. Now let's check the third one. This is the width factor range rules. You can check the detailed information here. This is the unit price. You can see now when the width is less than 250, then the unit price will keep the same. But when the width is greater or equal to 250, and for this one, we can check it in the formula. Just click here to add a new one, add the condition. You can see this one is N. Let's go to continue, check it. And the width is smaller than, and the width is less than 350. The unit price will multiply to. When the width greater or equal to 350, and the width is less than 550, then the unit price will multiply 3.5. For the other, still the same. So let's go to use it and check it. Go back to the Quote entry. Select this one. Here, more edit. Now you can come here to uncheck this one and select this width factor range rules. And save it. Let's check this condition. Like the width smaller 5250, it's the original unit price. And let's set another one. Set it to 300. For this one, the width, let's set it to 200. And this one, 300. Then go to get the quotation. Then you can see the price. This is 200. It's less than 250. So it will keep the same price. For this one, it will multiply 2, so it will be like 300. This is the non-standard rules configuration. As we said, you can directly use the plan for general ones, or you can compare enterprise deficiencies non-standard rules to create your own enterprise rules. Just copy the rules here and then come here to add a non-standard rules. Next, we will talk about this additional price. You can see in our quotation. here you have this additional price. To show this additional price, first you need to come here to set a special price. Like now, I just click Add Special Price. Here's the label or the name, you just input it. And this is the price, you add 50. Still the same, whether to associate with the dealer price and factory price. Remember, enable it and submit it. Now you will have this special price. Let's go back to the quote entry. We select this wardrobe by area, and still under here, this cabinet. More edit. Here we have select this one. Now we just uncheck it. This is the special price. You just click this one to select it, or directly edit condition to input a price here. Then save it. Like for this one, here's the list module quotation. Open the relevant template. Here you can see an additional price 50, and it will add to the price. So this is the special price. Let's check this dosage unit configuration. Here this plan for general usage unit. You can see all the default unit here, but even it show in English, they still will show Chinese in the quotation template. So if you want to use them, just copy the dosage formula, like copy this one, and then come to your enterprise the divided one to add the unit here. This is the unit label. This will be shown in this quote entry, like when you create a quotation rules, and then you can come here to select the unit. And this will be shown at here. The next one is the report displays. The report displays will be shown in this template here. And this is the dosage formula. You can just paste the thing you just copied to here, or directly edit condition or input the formula by yourself. The next thing is this the standard quantity. Like if the standard quantity is 0.1, you can see that. This one, it's 0.4, which means when the square meter is less than 0.4, then it will calculate as 0.4. Let's continue. This is the rule description. You can input it or not. Then remember to enable it when you create your own enterprise unit. Let's go back to this plan for general usage unit. For this max gravel with depth and height, it means select two biggest value, then to divide it 1 million. For the divided 1 million, it is used to transfer the unit because the default unit for these values are in the millimeters. So you need to transfer them to meter. And continue for this return mass max with height depth divided 1000. Means to select the biggest from these three, only select one, then to divide 1000, return the value. This one only return the numbers, but sometimes if you only calculate it one by one, then you can just input 1. Now let's check this enterprise coefficient allocation. The admin account can come here to set different price coefficients for different stores. Like if you want to use it, you need to come here, quotation plan first, then select the quotation plans you want it to have the different price coefficient, like this one. Just click this edit. Opening factor, select yes, and confirm. Go back to enterprise coefficient allocation. Now I already under this wardrobe by area. We just click this add to add a coefficient rules. First, you need to input the name, like this is for the area A, and the coefficient will be from like 0.8 to 1.2. Here's the remarks, you can input it or not. Also the expected date. Next, we need to select which rules we want to set the coefficient for them. Like if I want for all of them, then you can select all of them and click batch setting factor. input the coefficient. This is the default coefficient. I input 1.2. Here is the range. I input 0.8 to 1.5 and submit it. For this one, this coefficient value will be the default coefficient. This coefficient range is for the store manager to control the coefficient value. Now we just submit it. Then you can see all of them will have this coefficient values and coefficient range. Like for this one, you can just unfold it. Click here to check the detailed price information. Like now, if for this one, you will have a special coefficient value. You can check it and click here to set the coefficient. Like this should be 1.5. Here is the coefficient range. If you don't want the store manager to change the coefficient, then you can set it 1 to 1 and submit it. For this one, you can see its detailed sales unit price and the sales unit price range. After that, you can convert to submit it. You will get a coefficient rules here. For this one, you need to come here, store management, to select you want which store using this price coefficient. Like now, I only want this demo agent, these stores to have this coefficient. I just select it and convert. For this account, it already under that store. Let's get a quotation. Then you can see its unit price will change 180 and the total price is 230. For the store manager, first the admin account need to give the permission for the store manager. You need to come to the basis management, here the role, all roles, then add the roles. Here scroll down, you need to find this Workbench, scroll down, quotation management, check it. Here, product quotation. Then this is store coefficient configuration. You need to check this one and submit it. After you create these roles, you need to allocate this role to the store manager. Then the store manager will have the permission to control the price coefficient range. Like for this account, you can come to the product quotation, store coefficient configuration. Select the quotation plan. Then you can control the coefficient range. Like for this drawer, you just check it and set it. Then you can set the coefficient value from 0.8 to 1.5 and submit. Then you will set the coefficient value here. For this template sorting, the default language is in Chinese. Then you can use the Google Translate to help you to translate them in English or your local language. Like now at the left side, you can see it's the quotation name. This is the template name. Template serials number. You can change the template serials number to change their sequence. So at here, like now you can see this bomb tool is at the primary position. Then you can come here to find it. This one and click edit. Input it to 1, save it. Okay, say success. Go back to quotation preview and reload your page. You can see now it will be placed at the end of it. So if you want to change the sequence, you can change the template serials number. The next is the module name. You can set the module name for different templates. You can see we already had this closet and kitchen. Then it will have this closet, kitchen, these things. For the other don't have the module name, it will all be placed at here. If you want to set a module name for them, you just click to the left side, edit, closet, save it, say success. Then to refresh here, you can see this one will be flat at the closet category. Use the module number to change sequence of the categories. Okay, this is all for today. See you at our next video. Goodbye.